Hey, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do a really quick video update of the flip house. And you can see we have done a lot. The demo has been done. We've taken out that wall there between the living room, dining room area. Flooring is going in. We've got another rock fireplace. This one is better than the last one. Instead of doing shiplap, we are going to paint the mortar to match the walls. I love this floor. We're doing LVP throughout the house, and it is in process right now. You can see there's where we took out that wall. There was a wall separating living room from the dining room. It is now gone. We've opened it up. Had to replace those windows there. We had some rot under the windows, so we took care of that. Got those out of there. It's all good now. Let me walk through here, kind of show you what we're doing. The backyard, of course, is going to be the big problem on this house. You can see that because of the shade trees, there really is no grass. It's mostly weeds. Now, this is going away. We're going to tear out this old deck, get it out of here. Then we will figure out what we're going to do with the yard, because it's really a big lot. We've got to fix the fence there. Of course, we are going to clean up and paint the exterior of the house. It's going to be gorgeous. Probably going to be a white and really look good. But this is going away. You can't even walk on that thing. It's so rotten. We're going to get all this. We had a bunch of junk back here, but my buddies at We Chunk Junk came by and took care of that for us. So going back in, I love how this opened up. Now there's the living room. The house is great. It's got really high ceilings. We've painted the walls kind of a white. Let's go into the kitchen here. I want to show you this. This is the garage conversion. Now, right now, we've got cabinets here that are being painted, and we're using it for storage. But if you remember, this room was the trash room. Now, this happens a lot in houses. We redo, the families just move out, leave the trash, or we usually agree to get rid of it for them because it's such a pain just getting the trash out. But these are the Chunk Junk guys. They came in literally within an hour. They had this room completely free. We filled up 3 of their trucks. And so now you can see it again. We're using it just to paint and this sort of thing. Still not sure what we're going to do here. It depends on whether or not we keep it as an Airbnb or we sell it. So we may convert it back into a garage. In the kitchen, a lot's been done. We painted the cabinets. They were really good wood cabinets. You can't really tell in the video, but they're kind of a really light minty green. Going to replace all the hardware. Going to put granite countertops. We had to replace one window here in the kitchen that was rotten. So that's been done. Pantry here, big pantry, laundry area here. We've got to replace the hot water heater. It was original to the house and just needed help. So a lot going on. You can see the floors. Love these floors. Again, this is an LVP that we use quite a bit. Chelsea found it and we love it. So let me take you back through the house here. We are replacing all the lighting, replacing all the plugs, all of the outlets. We've got 2 bathrooms that we're redoing. Going to put down tile. Here's bedroom number 1. It is complete. The floor, the paint. Nice big room here in this house. Love it. And each room's got big closets as well. So there's another bedroom here that has been done. Finishing touches going on right now. Again, good-sized bedrooms here, so for a house of this age. Then on the other side is the master and big master. Look at the space in here. We are redoing both bathrooms. Again, we're going to redo the tile floors, new vanities, granite, new lighting, new fixtures, new everything. Looks like he's just now getting started with the flooring. I'll do an update on that later on today. So there you go, guys. That is the latest flip house. Progress is being made. We're almost done with the inside, and then I've got to figure out what we're going to do with the outside. So I'm going to be calling on some of my landscape buddies. All right. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.